Oh, check these out. These adorable little cards fit in anywhere and can be tucked away as a surprise for someone special when they find it later. The outside message is a tease. They'll be rushing to peel back the zipper and read what's inside. They're tiny. They measure 2.5 inches square, and you can tuck them in a pocket, in a lunch bag, in an arrangement of flowers, wherever you think they're needed. These are print and cut projects, so once you've printed and cut them, all you're going to need is a bone folder, some scissors to cut your double-sided tape. There's 2 main folds, so flip your card over, fold along those folds, and burnish them down with a bone folder. And that's how the card's going to go together. Now we need to do some taping. Let's tape the back panel down to the middle panel, just like this. Then we're going to need to tape the front panel down to that middle panel by taping all around the edges, just like this. And then carefully folding by aligning the top edge and the bottom edge of the card together. And there you have it. It's ready to go, except for the last part. Ta-da! These cards are colorful and they're sweet and they're so easy to make. If you don't see what you want on my silhouette store, hold tight. I'm continuing to expand the collection. I hope you like these little cards. I think they're so cute. And if you have a few already made on hand, that never hurts. I'll put links to where you can find these below in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.